Hi guys, thanks for hangout, and today in this video I will show you how you can turn off the option which the iOS 17 has. Your one-time passwords will receive, and then after autofill you can it automatically deleted, and you can't find in your messages inbox, and as well as if you are receiving in your emails, the one-time password will be automatic deleted after use. So if you want to keep them, so how to do that, let's go. Let's go down until you see the password here, and then after put your login information, or if you have a face ID on, it will automatically get into, and then you go to the password options and go below, and you will see this option, verification codes, clean up automatically delete verification codes in messages and mail after inserting with autofill. So if you want to keep them permanently, just turn this option off, or if you want those passwords just instantly deleted after autofill, just leave this option on. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video.